Leah, and in today's video we're going to be using this big jug of Elmer's glue and put it in here and make the biggest slime ever. Well, not the biggest slime, but a big slime. Are you ready? Yeah. Yes. Let's go. Well, okay then. All right, you ready to pour? Yeah. Pour. It looks like milk. Slime. It's not slime, but we will be making slime in this video. Make milk slime. It's not milk. Yes, it is. Alrighty, guys. Now that we have our big jug of Elmer's glue, now we're gonna add a little bit of color. We're gonna add some of these mini glues from our previous videos. This is the glow-in-the-dark glitter slime. Ooh. Oh! Oh! No! Now that we put our glue in, let's put in our activator and get mixing with our hands. Woo! I thought I couldn't open that. Alright. Pour it in. Pour it. Alright. It's empty. Cap back on. Just woo. Woo. Okay, never mind. Let's use our little hands. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Ew. Ew. Yuck. We have to knead it. Knead it. Whoa. Sticky. I don't know how he's enjoying this, but I'm definitely enjoying it too. Kind of. Oh. This did not go well. Look at that. Look at that. It looked like a hunky mess, right? Hunky mess. Yeah. It looks sticky. I made some slime. I'm a slime boy. Show me your most silly face. Oh no, the big slime. Oh, I was a big slime. Whoa, so happy. Still like has glue in it. Whoa. Alright guys, look at that big rock slime. It looks like a big brain. Pull it from it. Don't forget about it. Hey guys, well, I hope you like this slime-tastic video. Subscribe button and hit subscribe. Bye.